Would you believe me if I told you that just a year ago, my side hustle barely made enough to cover a few cups of coffee? Fast forward to today, and I'm pulling in $10,000 a month. I'm not saying this to brag. I'm saying it because you can do it too if you know the right moves to make. Stick around because I'm about to share the exact steps I took to transform my income. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes or vague motivational quotes. These are actionable strategies that you can apply starting today. Ready to turn your hustle into a serious income stream? Let's dive in. First, I had to find the right opportunity, the one with the highest leverage. Most people waste time on side hustles that pay pennies. I realized I needed to focus on something scalable, where my effort today could pay off tomorrow. For me, that meant leveraging my skills to create digital products and an online service. What does that mean for you? Ask yourself, what skills do I have that people are already paying for? And how can I package those skills in a way that can be sold multiple times? Now, if you're thinking, but I don't have any unique skills, stop right there. You do. Whether it's content creation, graphic design, marketing, or even tutoring, there's demand out there. But finding the right opportunity is just the first step. Without this next move, your income will hit a ceiling fast. Once I chose my opportunity, I realized that great products don't sell themselves. Marketing and visibility are everything. And no, this doesn't mean spamming your friends on social media. I tapped into social proof and storytelling. I shared real customer testimonials and the benefits of my offer through platforms where my audience already hung out: Reddit, TikTok, Instagram, and even niche Facebook groups. Remember, it's not about selling hard, it's about building trust. People need to see your name pop up multiple times before they feel ready to buy. Imagine this: you're scrolling on TikTok and see a side hustle ad. Boring, right? But then you see someone share how that hustle changed their life. That's powerful. I used a secret visibility trick that made my sales soar, and most people overlook it. I'll tell you what it is in a second. Here's the secret: automation. This is what took me from $1,000 to $10,000 per month. I automated as many parts of my side hustle as possible. That meant using email sequences to nurture leads, creating templates for customer responses, and outsourcing tasks I didn't need to do myself. I even scheduled social media posts weeks in advance so I could focus on high-impact tasks. And no, automation doesn't mean being lazy, it means being efficient. Because time is money, and your time is better spent growing your business, not micromanaging every detail. Ask yourself, what repetitive tasks are eating up your time right now? Automate those. Your future self will thank you. But there's one final mindset shift that made all the difference. Without it, none of these strategies would have worked. Finally, I shifted my mindset. Instead of thinking like a worker, I started thinking like an investor. Every dollar I made from my side hustle didn't go straight into my pocket. Instead, I reinvested it into better tools, advertising, and even education to improve my skills. Most people treat their side hustle income as extra spending money. That's the fastest way to stall growth. Reinvest strategically, and your side hustle can scale exponentially. And don't be afraid to bet on yourself. Investing in that $200 course or new tool may seem risky now, but if it brings in an extra $1,000 next month, that's a no-brainer. This is where it all comes together. With the right opportunity, solid marketing, automation, and reinvestment, you're no longer just hustling, you're building wealth. Now, you know how I boosted my side hustle to $10,000 a month. But what if you want to multiply that income even further? I've got you covered. Click here to watch my video on how to create multiple streams of income. Trust me, it's a game changer. See you there.